The potu bird, found in Central and South America, is a master of camouflage and nocturnal hunting. With its cryptic plumage and large, forward-facing eyes, it blends seamlessly into tree branches during the day. Despite its owl-like appearance, it's not closely related to owls but belongs to its unique family. Potus are insectivores, preying on moths, beetles, and other insects attracted to light sources at night. They have a haunting, echoing call that echoes through the forest at night. These birds are vital in controlling insect populations, making them valuable members of their ecosystems.